Hey everyone, Matt here from Herbal House. If you're in the market for a home ventilation system that combines sleek design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features, well, you've come to the right place. Let me introduce to you the AC Infinity Cloudway 10-inch and 12-inch ventilation systems. AC Infinity has built a solid reputation for high-quality fan equipment, and their new turnkey package is perfect for any home, with all the benefits of their smart controller system that offers both quiet and efficient operation. These systems come in two sizes. The 10-inch model can deliver up to 1200 CFM of airflow, while the 12-inch is capable of delivering up to 1600. Designed to extract air from your living space and ventilate it into the roof cavity or even outside. This system includes a ceiling vent with an internal backdraft damper, ducting, fan and controller, plus all of the little accessories to make installation just that little bit easier. Simply mounting the ceiling vent in a central location, connecting the pre-fitted ducting to the fan, and you're nearly there. These units come pre-wired so you can connect them up with the standard power outlet, or if you prefer, an electrician can hardwire them in for you. Now let's talk about the controller and sensor. These sleek devices not only look great, but they have plenty of cable length for versatile placement around your home. Plus they're compatible with the free AC Infinity app, which we highly recommend using. With the app, you can control the ventilation system remotely even when you're not home. This also means you can hide the controller out of sight if you need to. But here's where it gets really exciting. Once you've set the system up, you can program it for the ultimate convenience. Automate the fan based on time schedules, temperature triggers, or even receive alerts on your phone. Whether it's summer, winter, or any season in between, the system can adjust its fan speed for whisper quiet operation tailored to your home's conditions. AC Infinity has truly created a game changer in home ventilation. After using this system, you might find yourself questioning why you ever considered anything else. So I hope this video has given you some valuable insight into the performance and benefits of the AC Infinity Cloudway systems. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.